Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to efficiently handle your Shopify store's inventory. Mastering this skill is vital for any entrepreneur to ensure seamless operations and consistent product availability. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a comprehensive grasp of the process. To start, log into your Shopify account and access the main dashboard. From there, select My Store to enter your admin homepage. This area serves as the primary hub for all your management activities, so becoming familiar with it is essential. Next, locate the Products menu on the left side of your screen. Clicking this will display every item currently listed in your shop. This section is key for tracking sales trends and identifying which products require restocking. Within the Products area, choose the Inventory option. This opens a detailed overview of your current stock levels. Here, you can view specific data for every product variant, including quantities that are available, committed to existing orders, or currently incoming. Understanding these metrics allows you to identify low stock or overstock situations quickly. Now, let's focus on modifying your stock counts. Find the Available column to make adjustments. Whenever you receive new shipments or need to correct an error, simply update the number of units. This prevents the risk of overselling and keeps your customers happy. You should also monitor the Unavailable category. Keeping these figures accurate is critical for predicting future needs and informing customers about out-of-stock items. This practice helps you plan restocks better and manage buyer expectations by providing clear notifications about when items will return. To conclude, maintaining a precise Shopify inventory requires consistent monitoring and frequent updates. Following these procedures ensures your data remains current, leading to better logistics and increased sales. Always keep a close eye on both available and unavailable stock to provide a top-tier shopping experience. Thank you for following this inventory management guide. I hope these tips prove useful for your business. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy selling!